What's up guys, Pedro here, and on this video I'm going to show you how to make some homemade Old Bay hot sauce, coming up right after this. Welcome back. If we're just meeting, my name is Pedro, and on this channel we like to share recipes from our family and friends, and sometimes we just like to have fun. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Let's get right into the video. As usual, the first thing I want to do is give you the ingredients. First, you want to start off with your peppers. What you want to do is take your red chili pepper, which I didn't have any cayenne. I could not find any cayenne anywhere. I would have used cayenne peppers if I could have. But what you want to do is take this red chili pepper, seed it, chop it up, put it in a cup, a measuring cup, and then fill the rest of the measuring cup up with a red bell pepper. What you want to end up with is 1 cup of peppers. Then you want 2 green onions. I chopped those up as well. And 1 clove of garlic. You might want to use 2 or 3 even, depending on the size. I used 1 because the garlic that I have, the cloves are so large. Then you want a teaspoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of white distilled vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of fresh squeezed lemon juice. Now, you could probably use imitation lemon juice if you want to, but I prefer fresh squeezed lemon juice. The star of the show is Old Bay seasoning, and you want 2 teaspoons of Old Bay seasoning. So we're going to take all these ingredients and we're going to put them in our Ninja or NutriBullet or blender or whatever it is that you have. We're going to put it in there. We're going to blend it up. We're going to puree it. Then we're going to take it and we're going to put it in a sauce pot or a saucepan, and we're going to cook it on medium heat for 10 minutes. Then we'll put it in a sanitized bottle. Okay, now that we've got all the ingredients in our Ninja, we're going to blend everything up. Puree it. Okay, we're going to pour this into a saucepan. And I want to get every bit of this out of there. I'm telling you, this stuff is delicious. It smells so wonderful too. You guys are going to love this. Okay, like I said, we're going to put this on medium heat and we're going to let it simmer for 10 minutes. Okay, the 10 minutes is up, and we'll let it cool down, and then we'll put it into a jar or a bottle or something. Man, that looks good. Okay, now let's put the hot sauce in a sanitized bottle. Looks like I'm going to need to make another batch, at least 1 more batch. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, please hit the like button and share it if you're so inclined. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit the notifications button so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Until next time, God bless. Y'all take care.